Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up Zelle with BMO, so let's jump right in. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the official BMO website. On the home page, locate the Login section. Enter your user ID and password, then click on Sign In to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Scroll down until you see the Quick Actions menu. Click to expand it, and look for the option labeled Send Money with Zelle. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to the Let's Make a Transfer page. On this page, click the blue Get Started button. BMO will display some introductory information explaining what Zelle is and how it works. After reviewing the details, click Get Started again to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to be identified on Zelle, either with your email address or a mobile number. Select your preferred option and click Continue. A disclosure or user agreement will then appear. Take a moment to read through it, and when you're ready, click OK to accept and continue. To verify your identity, Zelle will send a 6-digit verification code to the email or phone number you selected. Enter the code in the verification field, then click Yes, Continue. If the identifier you entered is already linked to a Zelle account at another bank, you'll be asked to transfer it over to BMO to complete the setup. Once that's done, choose the BMO checking account you'd like to link with Zelle. After selecting the correct account, click Confirm Account. You're now officially enrolled with Zelle through BMO and can begin sending money securely and conveniently.